Hello, it's David. This is just a quick follow-up video to my external PSU one that I'll link up here. And in that I built this cable. This is a 6-core. I think it's 20. I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen. The gauge of the cable, and I couldn't make this work when powering my ST from my external supply. And by my calculations, it should have been fine. I think the voltage drop should have been something of the order of about half a volt. Again, I'll put the calculations here on the screen. So, but it didn't work. So I wondered whether I was missold a cable, whether something else was wrong. So, shall we do a quick test? What we've got here is our little cheap power supply. It's hooked up to one pin on one end and one pin at the other end. And I've got these little sense wires coming off from the same connection, so we can actually measure the voltage drop along the length of the cable. What we'll do is we'll put a fixed current through the cable. So I've got this set for a compliance voltage of 5 volts, but 1 amp. So what it's going to do is this will adjust the voltage down until 1 amp flows through the cable, and then we'll be able to measure that voltage difference on either side. So just flick the switch. There we go, 1 amp is now running through that cable, through one strand of that cable, and we've got a voltage drop of 200 milliamps. Okay, that's fine. If we assume that the ST normally draws 2 to 3 amps, then we might see a 400 to 500, half a volt drop across the single line. Yeah, and there's that voltage drop there, but the bloody thing's working now, so the contact cleaner I think did the job. What can you do?